Learn about the top 10 secrets and tips for traveling to Asia. Are you planning an adventure to the vibrant continent of Asia? Get ready with our top 10 secrets and tips. 1. Embrace the culture. Each country in Asia has its unique traditions and customs. Respect them and you'll get a richer experience. 2. Try the street food. It's a culinary adventure that guarantees authentic local flavors. 3. Learn a few phrases in the local language. A simple hello or I thank you goes a long way. 4. Pack light and smart. Remember, Asia's climate varies greatly. 5. Use local transportation. It's not only cheaper but also gives you a real taste of everyday life. Next frame, 6. Stay hydrated and protect yourself against sun. Don't let heat exhaustion ruin your fun. 7. Bargain wisely. It's part of the shopping experience, but remember to be respectful. 8. Respect religious customs. Cover up when necessary and always ask before photographing sacred sites. 9. Have a flexible itinerary. There's always something unexpected and exciting waiting around the corner. 10. And most importantly, enjoy every moment. Asia is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags and start your adventure with these top 10 secrets and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels!